guys, this is Stuti Bhandari. So the Mood Space gave me an opportunity to share my mental health journey with you all. So here I am. So first of all, I'll start with how my anxiety started and how did I come to know about it. Initially, I had always had, overthinking and anger issues. But then slowly and steadily when the lockdown started and I came back home, I realized that I am having palpitations and such stuff. I am thinking about things which are not under my control and I am doing such things. So but I thought, okay, this is because of the change in surroundings, this is happening. But all of a sudden this overthinking turned into anxiety and I started getting anxiety attacks. So I could actually feel breathless. I could actually feel that my body is not functioning according to me. So I firstly thought it's some physical problem that I'm having, but no, it was anxiety. So I told my parents about it. So my mother suggested that I should go to a psychiatrist, but just to consult and share my views, like what I feel, what I'm actually feeling. But then my dad told me that instead of going to a psychiatrist, I should try and think about other things and manage my stress in other ways, like cycling and all. So I did that. I cycled, I meditated, and I exercised and I danced, because these were the main things which are like a stress buster for me. I could not study at all. Like I could not even touch my book, because as soon as I touched my books, I again started overthinking. So I did not. So this was the thing. So I completely wasted my 5 months, but then I thought that mental health should always be a priority. So a tip for people who suffer from anxiety, you should try and distract yourself, because if it's the initial stage, you can still control it. So I did that. And also one thing which helped was journaling. I used to write my thoughts to pen and paper, and it actually helped me a lot. But then anxiety does not end. It's not like an illness that you have a medicine and it's over. Used to have relapse of anxiety attacks. Not attack exactly, anxiety attack. I felt only twice. No, once it was pretty bad and once it was like the starting thing. So twice. So I realized that you need to have a control on your mind, and then only you can do that. But it's a thing that if you want to seek help from your parents or from a mental health expert, you should not hesitate, because you hesitate because you think, what would other people think? People will think you are being over dramatic or you're crazy. And everyone talks about mental health today, because people think that it's a thing to look cool, but it's not. Because people who actually suffer from mental health problems, they know it's actually as bad as our physical health being affected. So don't think about what people think, because people will always think some or the other thing. And ultimately, in the end, I would give you all my warm wishes, whoever is watching my video, that I could get through it. I am still trying to fight through it, and you can fight through it too. Just don't hesitate, and just try and be positive. If one negative thought comes to your mind, try to counter it with 100 positive thoughts, because I know negativity has no end and it would not end. So if you keep on thinking negative, it would just engulf you in its darkness. So just be positive and stay smiling, and I hope my video was of some help. Thank you for watching.